Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to cut and paste data in Excel. So let's start this maxel and here you can see I have a data. To cut this data, simply select the data. You just drag with the mouse and you can select here entire data. Or the second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the Control A to select the entire data. Then right click of the mouse and click on the cut option and select the cell where you want to paste this data. So I select this cell and right click of the mouse and click on the paste option. Just click on it. And that's it. Your data is cut paste. Okay. Now I use here the shortcut key to cut and paste data. Okay. I use here the Control Z to undo the action. Okay. Then I use here the shortcut key. Simply select the data. Then use the Control X to cut this data and select the cell where you want to paste. So I select this cell and use the Control V to paste the data. That's it. So this is the way you can use the cut and paste in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.